Mabuhay! It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, I will bring you in one of the tourist attraction in Federation Square in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So here we are in Melbourne City guys, in CBD, and one of the attraction here is the Federation Square. It's a very historical too, and you can see also the Christmas decors for this year. So what are we waiting for guys? Happy walking! Welcome to Federation Square. It's Melbourne's most happening place for fine dining, events, and exciting bars. At this renowned venue, you'll find some of the city's most diverse galleries, restaurants, and cafes. It's a bird here. The one. This unique cultural precinct features 16 restaurants ranging from traditional Aussie to northern Chinese cuisine. Additionally, you'll find many vibrant bars, pubs, and cafes here. No wonder Fed Square is the primary meeting spot for many Melbournian residents and visitors. This one-of-a-kind culture precinct welcomes visitors from all over the world to enjoy many dining and cultural events. Fed Square's Ion Photo Center is home to the NGV and ACMI galleries. These two spots are among the city's most popular attractions. Apart from its attractions and dining choices, Federation Square is also known for its unique architecture. Visitors often find this area very fascinating due to its smart and unique fusion architecture. Federation Square has free Wi-Fi available in the atrium, decking edge, and all public spaces including the Square, Flinders Street Amphitheatre, River Terrace, and Federation Walk.
Simplified, rippled up to create the two magnificent 20th century design of artists who workplace is design thinking of living values now circles then going through this young person and laying rippling out of the time. At the morning kimono consists of 500 characters getting to speak, move, hang, lava, and food, tree. Three characters. We wearing and describe the different characters in the magical
Get to Federation Square by taking a train and alighting at Flinders Street Station. Federation Square is directly across the road. Trams and buses also frequent this part of the city. Fed Square is open 24 hours a day. The operating hours of cultural institutions and tourism services, shops, cafes, bars, and restaurants may vary. Entry to Fed Square is free.
Milky sa police. Ooh.
You know this ano din? Ah. Oh no, the battery is empty. So, that's it guys. That's our Federation Square in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia guys. Our walking tour in Federation Square guys na may Christmas decoration guys. So, ayun yung makikita nyo guys. One of the famous tourist attraction dito sa Melbourne, Victoria, sa CBD guys. And you can see also the Flinders Street Station. So, that's the famous station dito sa Melbourne. So, nag-walk tayo dun guys. Nakita nyo yung decoration. They also have a gallery. So, the area is free Wi-Fi. They also have a 7-Eleven there, as you see earlier dun sa ating video for today. And I hope you had fun, guys. So, that's the end of our video in Federation Square. Libre lang po dito, guys. Mag-walking, mag-strolling. So, dito palagi ang mga meet-ups ng mga locals, ng mga tourists, ng mga Australian local resident guys, mga students. So, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy our Federation Square walking tour for today's video and you had fun. Thank you very much for watching and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao lang!